Nigeria of my dream is a Nigeria that Nigeria's people will be so changed in their attitude that we will be in a position to tell the world who we are.
Late Professor Dora AKUNYILI, OFR, was born in Makurdi, Benue State, Nigeria on July 14, 1954 to Chief and Mrs. Paul Young Edemobi. AKUNYILI was an internationally renowned pharmacist, pharmacologist, erudite scholar, seasoned administrator, and a visionary leader. She had her early elementary education at St. Patrick's Primary School, Iswafia, Anambra in 1966, and then proceeded to Queen of Rosary Secondary School, Nsukka, Enugu State in 1973. Her exceptional grades in the First School Leaving Certificate and West African School Certificate earned her the Eastern Government Post-Primary Scholarship and the Federal Government of Nigeria Undergraduate Scholarship. She obtained her first degree in pharmacology in 1978 and got her PhD in 1985 from the University of Nigeria, Nsukka. Dora AKUNYILI was a postgraduate fellow of University of London and a graduate of the West African Postgraduate College of Pharmacists. She was also a fellow of the Pharmaceutical Society of Nigeria, member of the New York Academy of Science, International Narcotics Control Board, United States Pharmacopoeia Expert Committee, Association of African Medicinal Plant Standards, Global Alliance for Improved Nutrition, Medicines for Malaria, Venture and International Council Control. She served as Director General of the National Agency for Food and Drugs Administration and Control, NAFDAC, from 2001 to 2008, where she recorded outstanding successes. She brought in a new culture of excellence and honesty. As a result, the level of fake and counterfeit drugs in circulation dropped by a measurable degree.
Corruption in the health sector is murder.
Before her appointment as the DG of NAFDAC, like many government organizations in Nigeria, importers simply paid a bribe to get their products into the market. However, all that changed immediately after she was appointed.
Bribery in all sectors. I don't think there's any sector in Nigeria that is honestly left out. But the worst felt area is in health.
In 2004, she put together a team of pharmacists and started a war against counterfeit drugs that saw many pharmacies and drug markets across the country close down, including a large medicine market in Kano State, where our team confiscated 140,000 pounds worth of fake drugs.
In government, you don't know certain things, you don't get to hear certain things. But when you are with the people, you hear more.
As of 2006, she had secured the arrest of over 90 counterfeiters with 45 convictions. While in office, Dora faced multiple death threats against herself, family, and staff.
Tried intimidation and harassment and threatening my life. They didn't succeed. Now everybody is joining the bandwagon of anti-crusade to sanitize drug distribution, fake food, stop fake and unwholesome food, and strengthen regulation in this country.
She was married to Chike AKUNYILI, a medical doctor, and they had 6 children. AKUNYILI also worked as the Minister of Information and Communications between 2008 and 2010, where she anchored the Rebranding Nigeria project.
Rebranding is important, especially when we remember how Nigerians are viewed all over the world. How Nigeria is viewed by the international community as a country where nothing works.
In 2012, her book, The War Against Counterfeit Medicine, My Story, was published. However, sadly, in mid-2012, she was diagnosed with uterine cancer and she died 2 years after at a specialist cancer hospital in India on the 7th of June 2014. During her time, Professor Dora AKUNYILI received 820 awards. Shockingly, in 2016, 2 years after her death, her husband reportedly discovered 150 more awards packed safely in her boxes, bringing the total number of awards she received to 970, the highest number of awards received by any Nigerian, dead or alive.